You want to say something?
No.
Shout out?
Shout out. I love you.
What's up? What's up? Mga par? Isang bagong araw, isang bagong vlog. Say hi, Mary.
Hi.
You're in the YouTube.
Yeah, you're
YouTube?
You're famous. Yeah. You're
Yeah.
famous already.
We are in break time. So, Daisy, Mary, Anson,
This
and
our
me. Nalito kami mag-break time dito sa store. So, yun yung mga pagkain. Ayan.
Our food
This
is
our food.
very famous.
Ayan.
Alam? Dakla mo ako.
So, kain-kain tayo.
Kamu
Wow.
ako lang ko dyan, umin.
Yun ang problema ko.
Why?
Wala akong kutsara.
Oh my God.
Tinidor ko, gusto mo?
Meron ako dito.
You are in the...
Si using ano, she make a vlog. He's a vlogger.
Ah.
How many viewers you need?
A lot. I need more than a lot.
This potato, right?
Potato and cassava.
You want egg? I have 2 egg.
Ah.
Oh. Wait, I remove it.
Michael, you are new in YouTube, so I can subscribe.
Yeah.
Huh?
Tell me your YouTube ano, then I will later.
I will subscribe.
Now I will have my subscriber because of this vlog. Okay?
No, because I don't know your vlog. Just let me know.
So my name is...
Name?
Type my name.
Okay.
Type my name in YouTube.
But I don't have that.
Ay, that's the problem.
Now we're happy we're eating.
See?
Ngayon, wala akong kutsara. Ang ginagamit ko, 2 tinidor.
Every time we will talk about
Nitsa! Uko na chumbi. Salt.
How can you subscribe to me? You don't have internet.
You alive?
You want to say something?
No.
Shout out?
Shout out. I love you.
I love Shout out, I love you.
Because you are the best. You are the best young Filipino guy I ever met.
Ay ba? Number
Ay,
1. Number 1.
They don't fight people
Mhm.
in school. They mind their own business. They don't mind the other people's business. Work and go home and his
Yeah,
family.
That's it, huh?
Yes.
No more drama.
Keep it simple, na?
Keep it simple.
Yeah.
This is our 7.
Values.
Ano ba?
Because how?
Hey, what's up, bro?
That's it, bro.
Say something, man. You're in the YouTube.
Duty calls.
I will search you in the YouTube.
You have data?
Yeah, I will.
Okay.
Oh, put here.
M-I
M-I.
C-H-A-E-L
Sorry.
A-E-L space
Space.
J-O-H
Eh?
J-O-H
J-O-H.
Are you-
Jordan?
Thank you po sa mga nag-subscribe. Salamat. Tsaka sa nanonood. You subscribe already?
I subscribe.
Hey, Santa! What's up? What's up? You're in YouTube, man.
Sure, man.
Ano yung ang vlog ko? But the problem is, you don't understand, no? Because
This is the
It is-
But I will subscribe.
Same, ano? What do you call that?
Share me in my WhatsApp.
Mm.
Let me
Later.
say hi.
But
Rubina or the other Nepali girl, kids.
Also have.
She have, right?
Michael doing vlogging.
Yeah. Eat.
You subscribe?
I don't know.
Did you subscribe?
Subscribe to
Lion was on.
Lion Wasanta. May kanin pa yung daliri ko.
You have also, right?
Then follow him on Instagram also.
I didn't
What's
see your
name?
vlog.
Lion?
You can see the.
Yeah, I didn't see.
You're like
You can see his channel
Because
here.
they have
in the
a lot
screen.
of lion.
you're the one
Because
supporting
they
you
have a lot
guys.
of
Please
lion,
subscribe.
Put here. I didn't see your only.
So
no,
subscribe.
yeah.
What is this?
Lion Wasanta has a very good editing apps. Number one.
Wala to see. What is that?
What?
Editing apps. Editing video, yeah.
Ah, okay. So I will subscribe.
Yes.
You put the ano?
You should share in the group
Where?
so that we can subscribe.
Okay.
You send for me then. I will subscribe.
He should send to the group, no?
Yeah.
Then everybody will subscribe.
Please subscribe. We support each other.
Now I subscribe him. Wow, proud.
Then boss will
Where
ask, what
is
is this?
Here in Doha? Fish market. Why you didn't tell me you go there? Then I tell you to buy for me also fish. This fresh. My God.
Lion
Where is the
person.
corniche near museum?
Then you should subscribe before you watch. Why you watch before
I subscribe
subscribe?
already.
No. Lie.
Not
You
it?
didn't like only.
No.
You only like.
I thought I subscribed
subscribe.
already.
Subscribe is here.
Yeah, I
Crazy.
thought.
You like only.
No, I thought you subscribe. You put already.
Yes.
Okay now?
Hey.
Are you done ah? Very fast?
So we're done. We're almost done eating. Ito lang ang aming break time dito. Supposed to be dapat pantry. We cannot eat inside the pantry because it became like
Bodega.
a bodega, like a stock room. So we are here outside.
Come there.
So say bye-bye. Almost done our break time.
Almost done.
Yeah.
Thank you so
bye.
much.
Thank you for watching.
Yeah.
Bye. Salamat sa panonood.
I can't find myself.
Bye.
갑자기 내게 나타나준 너. 난 아무 말도 할 수가 없었지. 첫눈에 반한다는 이야기가 널 보는 순간 이해가 됐어.